My name is Nayantara, a grade 8 student from Bangalore. Today, I am going to show you a simple experiment to demonstrate how the forces of buoyancy and surface tension work on different objects and how density causes them to either float or sink. This experiment is explained using simple everyday materials found in the kitchen. I am using water, coconut oil, fennel seeds or somph, cumin seeds or jeera, chia seeds or sabja, and mustard seeds or rye. First, I am taking 3 glasses and labeling them as 1, 2 and 3. Glass 1 is filled with water, glass 2 is filled with coconut oil, and glass 3 is filled with water topped with a tablespoon of coconut oil. I am going to add the seed of my choice, which is mustard or rye, into each of these glasses. Let's see what happens. So first let's add it into glass 1. As you can see, most of the seeds in glass 1 float while a few sink. This is because mustard seeds are less dense than water. However, a few of the denser ones are able to break through the surface tension and sink to the bottom of the glass. The force of buoyancy is not enough to keep these denser seeds afloat. Let's see what happens when we put them in glass 2, which is filled with coconut oil. As we can see, most of the seeds in glass 2 sink individually, while a few float. The medium, oil, has lesser surface tension than water, allowing most of the seeds to sink through individually. Let's finally try with glass 3, which is a combination of water and oil. As we can see in glass 3, we can see some very interesting things. The seeds are floating briefly. They then come in contact with a layer of water, which helps the mustard seeds to draw mucilage, and it simultaneously draws oil. This in turn forms strawberry-shaped clumps whose net density is higher, causing it to repel the force of buoyancy and sink. This happens extremely quickly. This process was repeated with cumin, chia and fennel, and the observations are in the description box down below. In conclusion, the inference that I have drawn from my observations are that seeds behave differently in all 3 glasses due to certain inherent properties of the mustard seeds: the buoyancy and the surface tension. These forces come into play differently depending on how the density of the mustard seed changes because of these properties and how it interacts with different liquids or a combination of them. Thank you so much.